Hey chess lovers! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and use arrows on chess.com. These are great for planning moves, analyzing games, or explaining ideas to others. Let's get started. First, open up chess.com and go to any game, live, daily, or even a game you've already played. To really test out arrows, I recommend opening the analysis board. You can do that by clicking the Analyze button at the end of any game. Now to draw an arrow, just right-click and drag your mouse from one square to another. For example, right-click on E2, drag to E4, and you'll see an arrow pointing in that direction. If you're on a Mac, use Ctrl plus click plus drag instead. Here's a cool tip. You can draw different colored arrows using keyboard shortcuts. Right-click, plus drag, versus green shift, plus right-click, versus red alt, plus right-click, versus blue Ctrl plus right-click, versus yellow on some systems. You can also draw circles on squares by just right-clicking without dragging. If arrows aren't working, make sure you're in analysis mode, not just watching a live game. Your mouse or trackpad supports right-clicking. You're using a supported browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. And that's it. You're now using arrows on chess.com like a pro. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Got questions? Leave them below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.